We have a curriculum in school. We have 15 subjects, beneficial subjects such as biology, chemistry, physics, language, etc. But we have one or two subjects that we're forced to study, otherwise we'll not be able to graduate, that speaks about Hindus or Sikh or things that have no benefit, none whatsoever for us Muslims. We're obliged to do it in order to pass the exams. And this is a problem if we say, okay, we seek refuge in Allah from knowledge that's not beneficial, and yet we have to quit school, then we will remain to be janitors and trash collectors for the rest of our lives. Not that these professions are bad, but they're not what we aspire to. We want to serve the ummah and the community, and they are serving the ummah and the community, but not like a surgeon or a doctor or engineer is. So you have high aspirations. But if I study these unbeneficial sciences or knowledge due to being compelled to do this, inshallah it's a win-win, and Allah knows best. Abdul Qadir Jilani is a controversial person nowadays. While if you ask the scholars, they would say Abdul Qadir Jilani was an imam of Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah. He was upon the Tawheed, he was upon the right manhaj, he was upon the right aqeedah, and he was so knowledgeable that at his time, people considered him to be one of the most knowledgeable people. So he was a follower of Sunnah, and he was a great imam, and benefited the ummah with his knowledge. However, this doesn't mean that there aren't any shortcomings here or there. He is not infallible. He's a human being like us. So, like all scholars, he must have had some weak narrations, false opinions, and maybe some innovations. But if compared to the vast knowledge he had and the tawheed and the good things he had done, this is negligible. And I think there is a thesis for, or a book for Sheikh Dr. Saeed bin Misfir Al-Qahtani, may Allah preserve him, on Sheikh Abdul Qadir, and it's advisable for you to go and check it out. However, when we praise Sheikh Abdul Qadir, we definitely do not praise his followers. At the moment, those who follow the Qadiriyah tariqah among the super Sufis are definitely on the wrong. And they are going against his teachings, and they've exaggerated and went into extremism, thinking of him to be one of the Awliya that we can pray to, can seek refuge in, with the things they do at his grave, the fabrications, they say that he did this and did that. This is definitely not related to the Sheikh. May Allah have mercy on him, and he would not have approved it at all. So what you hear today from people praising him or claiming to be following him, these are super Sufis that you should be aware of.